Use the wait defrost function to defrost frozen food between 100 and 2000 grams. To defrost, place the food in the oven. Press WT, time defrost. DEF1 is displayed. Turn the jog wheel to set the weight of your frozen food. Press start. Defrosting starts with an automatic timer countdown. The microwave and defrost icons blink. Your oven beeps 5 times when defrosting is over.